Welcome friends. In our previous video, we had studied the example of algebraic extension, which is not finite extension. Now the next definition is finitely generated extension. An extension E of field F is called finitely generated if there exists a finite number of elements. There exists a finite number of elements U1, U2 up to UR in field E such that the smallest subfield of E containing the field F and these R elements, that is U1, U2 up to UR, is field E itself, and we can write this fact by this notation, that is E is nothing but the smallest subfield of E containing the field F and U1, U2 up to UR. For example, we know that the set of real numbers and the set of complex numbers are fields, and this C is extension of the R, that is set of complex numbers is an extension of the set of reals, and the imaginary number I is an element of the set of complex numbers. The imaginary number I is a member of set of complex numbers, and if we consider the subfield containing the set of reals and an imaginary number I, then this is nothing but the set of complex numbers, that is C is the smallest subfield of the C containing the reals and the imaginary number I, and therefore by the definition of finitely generated extension we can say that C is a finitely generated extension. C is a finitely generated extension of R. C is a finitely generated extension of R. Now one note, a finitely generated extension need not be algebraic. It means that there exists a finitely generated extension which is not algebraic extension. We will explain this fact by our next example, in which we prove that there is a finitely generated extension which is not algebraic. Example. In this example we consider a polynomial ring over field F. Let Fx be a polynomial ring. Let Fx be a polynomial ring over a field F. In a variable x. Now consider a field E, which is field of quotients of Fx. Let E be a field of quotients of polynomial ring Fx, and the elements of field E are of the form a0 plus a1x plus up to am x raised to m divided by b0 plus b1x plus up to bn x raised to n, as E is the field of quotients of polynomial ring Fx. Therefore the elements of field E are of the form a0 plus a1x plus up to am x raised to m divided by b0 plus b1x plus up to bn x raised to n, where all these ai and bi belongs to field F. ai and bi belongs to field F, and not all bi are 0. It means that here the denominator is not equals to 0. Now note that we can generate this field E. We can generate the field E by the variable x. We can generate this field E by the variable x. Note that E is generated by the variable x over the field f. It means that there exists a one element in field E. There exists one element x in field E such that E is equals to the smallest subfield containing the field f and x. We can generate this E by the variable x over the field f, and meaning of this is E is nothing but the smallest subfield containing the field f and the variable x, and thus E is finitely generated extension. E is finitely generated extension of field f. E is finitely generated extension of f. Now recall that the polynomial ring fx is equals to c0 plus c1x plus up to cr x raised to r, where c0, c1 up to cr are the elements of field f. The polynomial ring fx is the set of all polynomials c0, c1x plus up to cr x raised to r such that the coefficient of these polynomials are the members of field f. And by this definition x cannot be algebraic over the field f. This is because there does not exist a non-constant polynomial such that there does not exist a non-constant polynomial p of x in the polynomial ring fx such that x is the root of the polynomial p of x, because x is a variable. Therefore there does not exist a non-constant polynomial p of x in the polynomial ring fx such that x is the root of the polynomial p of x, and thus by the definition x cannot be algebraic over field f, as x belongs to field E, because we can write this x is equals to x by 1, where this x and 1 are the elements of polynomial ring fx. So x belongs to the field E. As x belongs to E and x is not algebraic over the field f, this gives that E is not an algebraic extension of field f. It means that E is finitely generated extension of f, but E is not an algebraic extension of f. E is finitely generated extension of f, but E is not an algebraic extension of f, and therefore it is not always possible that a finitely generated extension is algebraic extension.